how to make a soft, fluffy naan similar to what you get at an Indian restaurant, and you can enjoy it with your favourite curries. Start by activating your yeast by mixing sugar with lukewarm water and leave it until it looks frothy. If it doesn't look frothy after approximately 10 minutes, throw it out and get a new batch of yeast. Then mix salt and nigella seeds with bread flour, add your vegetable oil and plenty of full-fat plain yogurt. Then add your activated yeast, and you want to knead your mixture until it's just combined. If you prefer a chewier naan, knead it for a little longer. And when you have a smooth ball of dough, cover and leave to double in size in a nice warm place. When your dough has doubled in size, tip out onto a well-floured surface and just knock out some of that air, and then you can start to divide your dough into their individual balls. I made approximately 6 naans with the amount of dough that I had. Then cover your dough with some cling film and leave to rest for 15 minutes. This makes it much easier to shape. I shaped my naan using my fingertips. I didn't want to roll them out because this presses out a lot of that air, and you want this to stay as fluffy as possible. To cook your naan, oil a hot pan and carefully lay your naan in and then cover. This allows your bread to steam, and then flip and do the same to the other side. This is optional, but when your naan is cooked, you can combine melted butter, fresh coriander and plenty of minced garlic and just spread that over your naan. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, click that notification bell. Thank you for watching.